Okay, namaste, good afternoon, and welcome to you all here on our radio educational program, which is sponsored by Nepal Police School, Kumar with media partner Radio Madesh Masla 106.4 MHz. Okay, here students, I am here with class 4 maths here. Okay, and we in our previous classes just we was discussing on different types of questions relating fractions. Here again we have some types of questions related with fractions. Yes, in our previous class just we discussed or we solved the comparison comparison between the like fractions. Yes, today we have the first comparison between unlike fractions. Yes, so students, as we do you know, I think you know about yes, especially we compare the two fractions if according to their numerator. If the denominators are same, yes, in like fractions, as we compare the fractions according to their yes numerators, the fraction having greater numerator yes is the greater and the smaller numerator is smaller. In the same way here, we are going to discuss on comparison yes or comparison between unlike fractions that I have told you in our my previous class is that if there are given two like fractions, on that time what we can find the yes or we can compare the fractions easily, which one is greater or which one is smaller, yes, because of their numerator. Yes, but if we have given unlike fractions, so on the time we need to use or we need to follow some rules. Okay, then after we can compare them. Yes, so we have given suppose the questions like this. Yes, compare the given fractions. Yes, so for this we have given suppose in question number A 2/3 and 5/6. So since we can find here we have given two fractions and we need to compare these fractions. Yes, and we can see yes that means the denominators of both fractions are different. That means these fractions are known by or known as unlike fractions. So that first of all we have to convert these fractions into like fractions, and I think you know or you remember the method to convert the unlike fraction into like fraction. So we should first here apply such method. Yes, how to convert the unlike fraction into like fraction. So we should convert it first into like fractions. Yes, and to convert it into like fraction we should take the LCM first. Yes, so solution is 2/3 and 5/6. Yes, so here yes we should taking LCM of the denominators. Yes, what are the denominators we have? We have 3 and 6. So we should take the LCM of 3 and 6 as first. 3 and 6. Therefore, after taking LCM, we will get 6, and you know how to find the LCM of the given number. So we have 3 and 6. Then we can easily find the LCM. 3 1 3 2. Yes, so LCM is equal to 3 into 1 into 2, that is 6. In this way, what LCM of these number, that means LCM of this denominator 3 and 6 is what? Yes, 6. Yes, so we have to multiply the denominators of both fractions. to make the denominators equal to the we have LCM. Yes, so first here, okay, now 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Yes, so we should just select or choose the numbers for, okay, by which or with which 3 is multiplied, that is equal to, and when it is equal to 6. Yes, so here we should multiply 3 by 2, then it becomes equal to 6. Then again we should multiply the numerator by 2. Yes, then after 4 by 6. Then again we should multiply, we have 5 by 6 as a fraction, so then again 5 by 6 is multiplied by a number, okay, to be equal to 6 with LCM. So we can multiply 6 by 1. Yes, then it becomes equal to 6. When we multiply denominators by the numbers, the same number is multiplied to the numerator also, so that we will get 5 by 6. Yes, so now here we got, okay, the like fractions here, 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. Yes, in the time, then after we will compare the numerator again. Yes, now we have the fraction what, 4 and 5. So here, okay, comparing the numerator. Yes, comparing the numerators 4 and 5. Yes, so when we compare the numerator 4 and 5, yes, so we can find it easily that 5 is greater. Yes, so therefore 4 is smaller by 5. Yes, so that we can write that what, so which one is 4? 4 by 6. 4 by 6 is smaller by 5 by 6. Yes, 4 by 6 is smaller than 5 by 6. Or we can also write the previous fractions, the to which we convert the like fractions. So 4 by 6 means 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is smaller than 5 by 6. So in this way, students, we can compare the unlike fractions. Yes, in the same way we have also a shortcut method to compare this factor, compare the fractions. Yes, suppose, yes, let's talk about the other method. Yes, so we have alternative method, that is, yes, suppose we have given fraction 2 by 3 and yes, 5 by 6. So as you know, students, how to check or how to identify, okay, whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. Yes, we should apply the same method, okay, here. So we know we use cross multiplication. Yes, here, yes, cross multiplication 2 by 3 by 5 by 6. Then we should use here cross multiplication. Yes, so 2 into 6, 2 into 6 and 3 into 5. Yes, so students, we can find this easily that, yes, what, which one is the greater? 2 into 6, 12, and 3 into 5, 15. Yes, so 15 is greater. It means what, they sign towards 15. Yes, so that 12 is smaller than 15. Yes, then after the sign turns towards the right side, so we can give the sign, therefore 2 by 3 is smaller by 5 by 6, because 2 by 3 is given in the left side and 5 by 6 is given at the right side. So our right side number 15 is greater than 12, so we can replace the fractions 5 by 6, okay, at the place of, and 2 by 3 at the place of 12 and 15 respectively. Okay, in this way we can identify, we can find the greatest and smallest. Then after we can compare these numbers, okay, in this way. Then after we have the ascending and descending arrangement of the fractions. Okay, the next thing that we need to learn or discuss today. So here we have arrangement, or sometimes we may have questions like arrange these fractions. Yes, arrange these fractions in ascending order. Yes, so for this we may have given some questions like this. Okay, suppose question number A, 5 by 9, 1 by 9. Yes, in the same way 7 by 9. Yes, then after 6 by 9. So students, look here. Okay, we have given 4 fractions. Okay, 5 by 9, 1 by 9, 7 by 9 and 6 by 9. Yes, and here we need to arrange these fractions according to their, yes, in the form of ascending order. Yes, and as you know that ascending order means the arrangement of number through from a smaller to greater. Yes, so first we need to find which one fraction is the greater, smaller among these among these 4 fractions. So we should compare their first. If the fractions are like fractions, if the given fractions are like fractions, then we should compare their numerator at first. So we can do like this here. Solution. Here we have given fraction 5 by 9, 1 by 9, 7 by 9, okay, and 6 by 9. In the same way, yes, we should compare. Now comparing the numerators. Okay, what are the numerators? Okay, first numerator is 5, okay, then 1, okay, then 7, then 6 and 6. Yes, when we compare these numerators, okay, we find that, okay, 1 is the smaller one among these 4, so we should write 1 at first, then give the sign towards the greater side, that means to the right side. Okay, then after 1, which one is the smaller? Then after 5, okay, then after which one? Okay, 5 is greater than 1, then after 6 is greater than 5, so we should write here 6, and then after what? 7 is greater than, yes, 7 is greater than 7. So our arrangement for the increasing order of the fractions is 1 is greater than 5, then again greater than 6, then again greater than 7. So if we talk about the increment order, 1, then 5, then 6, then 7. Yes, we arrange these 4 numerators, okay, 5, 1, 7, 6, okay, in increasing order like 1, 5, 6, 7. Yes, so we should give their greater or a smaller sign over there. Yes, so here we can write 1 is smaller than 5, 5 is smaller than 6, 6 is smaller than 7. Yes, in the same way, okay, therefore, or so, okay, 1 means what? 1 by 7. The numerator 1 is with fractions 1 by 9. The same way 5 means 5 by 9. Then, okay, then 6 by 9, and then after 7 by 9. Yes, so the ascending order or ascending arrangement of the fractions are like this. Okay, our question was 5 by 9, 6 by 9, yes, 7 by 9 and 6 by 9. In this way we should first compare the numerators, yes, because the fractions are like fractions. Then after, according to the numerators, we can arrange these fractions easily in the ascending order. Yes, then after, okay, let's talk about descending order. Descending order is just opposite to ascending order. Yes, so your question may be like this: arrange these fractions in descending order. Yes, so for this we may have given questions like this. Yes, suppose in question number A, students, okay, we may have given 4 by 10, yes, 7 by 10, Okay, suppose 8 by 10. Yes, suppose 9 by 10. Yes, so here again we should, okay, for the solution we should first compare their numerator, because these all fractions are like fractions. Yes, and here in class 4 we will only discuss, or we have given only this type of questions relating the like fractions. Yes, so that we don't need to discuss about the arrangement of unlike fractions. So here these all fractions are like fractions, so we should only compare the numerator. Yes, so here in solutions 4 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10 and 9 by 10. Yes, now comparing the numerators. Yes, so what are the numerators? We have numerator 4, yes, 7, 8 and 9. Yes, 9. Yes, these 4 are the numerators of the given fractions having base 10 or having denominator 10s. Yes, so we can find easily that, yes, descending means, okay, the formation of greater numbers, greater to a smaller. That means when we write the numbers from greater to a smaller, okay, that arrangement is especially known by decreasing order or decreasing arrangement. Decreasing means descending. Yes, so in that way we should first of all write the greatest number, then after a smaller, then after a smaller, then after a smaller, in this way. Yes, so we should here first select which one number is the greatest from these 4 numbers. So we can find that easily, that 9 is the smallest among these 4 numbers. So therefore 9 is greatest than, yes, or greater number than 8, than 7, than 4. Yes, so in this way we can solve with that. So 9 means 9 by 10. Yes, and give the sign towards left sides. Then 8 means 8 by 10. Then 7 means 7 by 10. Yes, and then 4 means 4 by 10. So students, we can find or solve or arrange the different fractions in ascending or descending order by this way. Okay, so while solving, don't be confused. Okay, be sure the given fractions are like fractions or unlike fractions. If the given fractions are like fractions, so you don't need to do anything more. Okay, you direct compare the denominators of the given all fractions, as, and you have to select the smallest, then a greater, then greater, then greater, and the last greater. Yes, in the same way. Okay, for the increasing or ascending order. In the same way, for the descending order, you should select the greatest, then a smallest, then a smallest, then a smallest, then a smallest. That means you have to write the numerator from greatest to smallest. That means first of all we should select the greatest number. Okay, then again which one is the small, just a smaller, yes, just a smaller than the selected number. Yes, then we should write that. In the same way, we if we talk about these questions, yes, we have given the numerator 4, 7, 8, 9. Yes, so here 9 is the greatest among these 4. Yes, so you can find like this here. Okay, 4, 7, 8, 9. So if we talk about these 4 numbers, yes, so we can find this. Yes, among these 4 numbers, 9 is the greatest one. So we can list 9 here and cross the 9. Then after we have left 3 digits or 3 numbers, that is 4, 7, 8. Yes, so again we should find the greatest number among these 4 numbers, 3 numbers. Yes, so among these 3 numbers, 8 is the greatest, so we can write 8. Then we have left only 2 numbers, that is 4 and 7. Among these 4 and 7, yes, absolutely 4 is the greatest than 4. Sorry, 7 is the greatest than 4. Yes, so we can write here 7. Then we have left only one number, that is 4. So we can copy that number. Yes, or we can copy the last number easily. Yes, then after, yes, 9 is greater, so we can give the greater sign towards 9. Then after is 8. Then after 7. Yes, in this way we can arrange these numbers yes descendingly yes, and when we need to write the number into ascending, so we can write it like this from the backward. That means 4, and just we give the sign towards right side. 4 is smaller than 7, is smaller than 8, is smaller than 9. Yes, in this way we can arrange the descending or ascending order yes of the given fractions. I hope you are understanding. Yes, so now let's talk about other questions. Yes, the other questions is like this. Yes, conversion of fractions okay into improper to from improper to mixed numbers and mixed number to improper fractions. Yes, in the same way, as you know, I have given you already the formulas to conversion of improper fraction to mixed number and mixed number to improper fractions. So you have to must remember that formulas. Yes, so let's talk about the conversion. Yes, so here you may have the questions like this. Yes, you may have the questions like this. Yes, convert the given fraction to convert the given improper fractions to mixed numbers. Yes, so students, for this type of questions we may have given as you know, and I hope you can clarify or state whether the given fractions are a proper or improper fraction. So you must you must have to find the first the given fractions are or is improper or proper. Yes, because we can only convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Yes, we can't convert proper fraction into mixed number. Yes, so that to conversion for the conversion of mixed number we must need improper fraction. So we have a improper fraction like this. Yes, suppose in question number A we have given 9/2. Yes, suppose we have given 9/2. Yes, so first of all we have to divide the numerator by the denominators. Yes, so we have the denominator 2. Yes, so 2 divides the numerator 9. Yes, so here now 2 for the 8. Yes, then we will get remainder 1. Yes, and answer 4. So you have to remember the formulas to form the mixed fraction. That is what? Yes, that is mixed mixed number or fraction is equal to quotient. Yes, remainder should be written offside or either numerator, remainder, and divisor should be written as denominator. Yes, so here we can write like this. At side we should write quotient yes as numerator. Yes, we should write remainder, and as denominator we should write divisor. Yes, so friends, here as you know in division there are 4 parts. Yes, the answer that we write, that is quotient. Yes, the number that divides is divisor. Yes, and the number which divided is dividend. yes, and the number that comes after dividing and that can be divisible by the number is remainder. Yes, remainder. So in this way we can find here. So we can write here the mixed fraction of the number is what? Solution. Yes, solution is what? 9/2 is equal to mixed fraction. Yes, mixed fraction is equal to what? Mixed number of 9/2 is equal to what? Yes, quotient should be written at the side. So what is the quotient? 4. Yes, so 4 should be written at side. Then after, yes, remainder should be written as the numerator, as a numerator. So what is the remainder? 1. So we should write 1 as upper part, yes, as the numerator. In the same way, divisor should be written as the denominator. So what is the divisor? 2. So we should write here 2. That means the mixed number that so formed is 4 quotient 1/2. In the same way, we can let other example. Yes, suppose in question number B, we may have given, yes, suppose 13/4. Yes, 13/4. Yes, in this way, yes, again we should divide the number. Yes, so here when we divide 13 by, that is numerator by denominators. So we will get 4 3 12. Yes, 4 3 12. So we got remainder 1. Yes, this is quotient Q, this is divisor D, this is remainder R. So here when we write the mixed fractions, yes, of 13/4, yes, so here mixed number of 13/4 is equal to what? Quotient should be written at side, remainder should be written at upper part as a numerator, and divisor should be written at lower, that means as a denominator. So the mixed number so formed is 3 quotient 1/4. In this way we can find, yes, or convert the different fractions, yes, different fractions into, yes, we can convert different fractions into from improper to mixed fraction numbers. Yes, by this way, after this all, now we have or this is the time for homeworks, assignments. So you need to write your homeworks. Yes, and we will discuss on conversion of mixed number to improper fractions on our next class. So here your homework is like this. Your first homework is, yes, compare these fractions. Yes, and your first question is 4/5 and 6/9. B number question is, yes, 2/3 and, yes, 7/8. Yes, in the same way, in 2 number questions you have, yes, like this. Arrange these fractions, yes, in ascending and descending order. Yes, and you have the questions 4/5, 2/5, 13/5, yes, 6/5. In the same way, question number B, yes, 12/9, 7/9, 5/9, 4/9. Then after, in 3rd number question, you have arrange, convert these improper fraction to mixed numbers. Yes, and you may have given questions in question number A, 13 by 5. B number questions, 14 by 3. Yes, so students, you have 3 questions, yes, as your homeworks, and after this all, this is the time to leave class 4. Yes, and we will be here after this short break, so keep listening. Radio Madras Masla 106.4 megahertz. Okay.
रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4 मेगाहर्ट्ज में अब समय है व्यापारिक विश्राम के। तब तक अपने भी हाथ साबुन पानी से मल मल के धो के आओ। कोरोना वायरस से अपने भी बचो और दूसरों के बचाओ।
कोरोना संक्रमण नियन्त्रणका लागि प्रदेश 2 का मुख्यमन्त्री लाल बाबू राउतको सबैमा अपील।
प्रदेश नम्बर 2 का सम्पूर्ण दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनी तथा सम्पूर्ण देशवासीहरू अहिले सम्पूर्ण विश्व कोरोना भाइरसका कारण निम्त्याएको महामारीबाट प्रताडित भइरहेको छ। हाम्रो देशमा पनि कोरोना संक्रमणका बिरामीहरू देखा परिरहेको तथ्यलाई मध्यनजर गर्दै नेपाल सरकारले लकडाउन घोषणा गरिरहेको सन्दर्भमा संघीय सरकार तथा प्रदेश सरकारले जारी गरेका सम्पूर्ण आदेश वा आग्रहलाई पालना गरिदिनु हुन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। जसअनुसार भीडभाड नगरौं, अति आवश्यक काम बाहेक घरबाट बाहिर ननिस्कौं। कोरोना संक्रमण जहाँ र जुनसुकै अवस्थामा पनि हुन सक्ने भएकाले मलाई केही हुँदैन, यहाँ कोरोना आउँदैन जस्ता धारणा नबनाऊ। सजग सतर्क रहौं। कुनै चीज छोएपछि वा घर बाहिर गएपछि अनिवार्य रूपमा साबुन पानीले हात धोऊ। साबुन पानीले हात धुन नमिल्ने अवस्थामा गुणस्तरीय सैनिटाइजर प्रयोग गरौं। धन्यवाद।
कोभिड-19 अर्थात कोरोना वायरस रोग के मुख्य लक्षण सब
100.4 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट से बेसी बुखार आवे के, खोखी लागे के, सांस फेरे में दिक्कत होए के।
अपांगता भेल व्यक्ति सब के लेल कोरोना वायरस के संक्रमण से बचे के उपाय सब।
बुखार आवे के, खोखी लागे के, चाहे सांस फेरे में दिक्कत भेल व्यक्ति सब से सहायक सामग्री सब दूर राखू। ओइसन व्यक्ति के संपर्क में अयला पर प्रयोग करे से पहले अल्कोहल युक्त सैनिटाइजर के प्रयोग करके कीटाणु रहित करू। सहायक सामग्री के हाथ से पकड़ के राखे वाला जगह सब में जैसे व्हील चेयर के पुश रिंग, पुश हैंडल, आ ब्रेक, बैसाखी, छड़ी पकड़े वाला जगह, चश्मा आ श्रवण यंत्र बारंबार साफ करू। खोखला पर आ हाथ कैला पर नाक आ मुंह केहुनी चाहे टिश्यू पेपर से तोपू। आ प्रयोग कैले टिश्यू पेपर के झाकना भेल फोहर फेंके वाला बर्तन चाहे डस्टबिन में फेंकू। रेख देख करे वाला व्यक्ति सेवा देला पर जैसे सुतावे के, उठावे के, शौचालय ले जाए के, खियावे के, साफ कर देवे के जैसन काम सब करे से पहले आ कैला के बाद अपन हाथ सबके साबुन पानी से धो। सर सफाई के लेल महत्वपूर्ण सामग्री सब जैसे साबुन, सैनिटाइजर, टिश्यू पेपर आ झाकना भेल फोहर फेंके वाला बर्तन चाहे डस्टबिन अपन जोरे राखू। स्वास्थ्य संबंधी कारण से नियमित प्रयोग करे वाला दवाई चाहे उपकरण सब जोगा के रखू। अपने भीड़ भाड़ में न जाऊ आ अपना सहयोगी या परिवार के सदस्य सबके भी भीड़ भाड़ में न जाएला सुझाव दियो। अपना चाहे सहयोगी के बुखार अयला पर, खोखी लगला पर, चाहे सांस फेरे में दिक्कत होइत है तो ऐसन अवस्था में सहयोग न लेके दोनों जना तुरंत नजदीक के तोकल गेल स्वास्थ्य केंद्र में संपर्क करू।
कोरोना वायरस रोग के बारे में थप जानकारी के लिए 1115 चाहे 1133 में संपर्क करू।
USAID के सहयोग में राष्ट्रीय स्वास्थ्य शिक्षा सूचना तथा संचार केंद्र, एपिडेमियोलॉजी तथा रोग नियंत्रण महाशाखा, विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन, हैंडीकैप इंटरनेशनल, राष्ट्रीय अपांग महासंघ आ प्रेरणा शारीरिक पुनर्स्थापना केंद्र मलंगवा सरलाही द्वारा जनहित में जारी संदेश।
The Voice of मिठाई रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4।
Okay, namaste and good afternoon and welcome you back after this short break. Okay, and I am here with class 5 maths. Yes, so here in class 5 maths, yes, In our previous class, we discussed about like and unlike terms and the product of different numbers, and their exponential forms. In this way, today we will discuss on the addition and subtraction of like terms. Addition and subtraction of like terms. So students, as you know, okay, about the like terms, first we need to know first about the like terms, and I hope you I hope you know about the like terms. We have already learned about the like terms in our previous classes, so I hope you know about this. So we have here, okay, a short rule that is applied in the addition or subtraction of like term are here we should only add the coefficient of the given terms in the same way for subtracting we should only subtract the coefficient of the given terms. So students, in this way, let's talk about the first, that means about the addition of the like fractions. So suppose sometimes you may have given for the example we may have given add x and x. So students, here count how many x's are given there. We should add that x's with each other. So here we have given the questions like add x and x. So when we add x and x, it forms the form like this: x plus x. What is it forms? X plus x. It means how many x's are there? Here x. Count it. How many x's are there? 1x, 2x. 1 and 1, 2. It means what? We have altogether 2x. So we can write here like this: x plus x is equal to 2x in the simple form. In the same way, that means suppose you may have one pencil and one pencil. How many pencils do you have? Simply we can say that we have two pencils. In the same way, one copy and 4 copies. How many copies are there altogether? When we find the total quantity of the given copies, that means how many total copies are there? 1 and 4. It means we have altogether 5 copies. So these copies may be, suppose we have one copy and how many copies? 4 copies. 1 copy and 4 copies. 1 and 4 means altogether what? 5 copies. 5 copies. So when we put here 1 copy plus 4 copies, we will get answer 5 copies. And we can also classify it as 1 copy. Then after how many copies are there? 4 copies. Again 4 means 4 ones. So when we distribute these numbers, it becomes 1 copy, 1 copy, 1 copy, 1 copy, and now count these all: 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. So how many copies are there? 5 copies are there altogether. In this way, suppose at the place of copy, if there may be the variable, suppose y, then how many y's are there? 5y. We can find it easily. In the same way, 1y plus 5y means what? 4y means what? 5y. Yes, we can replace y easily. In the same way, 1y. Yes, 1y. Yes, 1y. Yes, 1y. Yes, 1y. All together, how many y's are there? 5 y's. Yes, in the same way, we can solve the addition of like terms in this way. So suppose in the same way we may have given is 8 is z to the power 3 and yes 2z to the power 3. Yes, so now look here the question carefully and listen to me carefully. Yes, how many z at first? 1 z cube. Yes, then after what is there? And so at the place of and we should here there is given at first 8, so at the place of and we should use the sign of plus, so plus, and there are 2 z's over there, 2z cube. Yes, all together when we add, yes, 1 z cube and 2 z cube, how many z cube? 3 z cube. Yes, so here, yes, 1 z cube we can factorize this like this. Yes, 1 z cube and 2 z cube means what? 1 z cube and 1 z cube. It means 2 z cube. So 1 z cube, 1 z cube, 1 z cube, all together what? 3 z cube. Yes, 3 z cube. We can express this in this way. Yes, and if we talk about their coefficient, students, be careful and listen to me carefully here. If we talk about its coefficients, so suppose yes we have given what? Z cube and plus 2z cube. Yes, so what is the coefficient of z cube? So students, remember one thing. Yes, again that if the terms has not given their coefficient, yes, its coefficient is what? 1. Yes, so here z cube has not given any coefficients, so we can write 1 as the 1 as the numerator coefficient of z. So here, and according to the rule, we should only add the coefficient of the given term. Yes, so here we have given 1 as coefficient and here 2 as coefficients. So 1 plus 2 here, 1 plus 2. Yes, and what is over there? Z cube. Yes, because we should only add the coefficient. So when we add this coefficient, we will get what? 1 and 2, 3 and z cube. In this way also we can find this. Yes, so I hope you are understanding about this. So let's talk about other things in the same questions. Yes, or in the same rules. So suppose students, we may have given sometimes the questions is like this, 3x yes plus 5x. So just be careful here and listen carefully here. Yes, we have given 3x and 5x. So as first as if it is possible, we should yes identify or find the coefficient of the given terms if they are like terms. Yes, if they are like terms, so we should first identify yes or find out the their coefficient first. Yes, so here students, we can find the coefficient easily that yes in the first term is these two terms are yes factorized or classified into two way yes by using plus sign. Yes, so that what here we have two terms yes or the plus signs divided yes the term into two way. That means we have here one term is given before plus sign and one other is given after plus sign. Yes, so we have here two terms. Yes, and to identify the like terms, we should first focus to their variables. Yes, and the both has the same variable x and x, so we can identify these terms are like terms. Then after, if the terms are like term and we need to add here, then we should only add their coefficients. So what is the coefficient? Yes, 3 and 5. So we can write here 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 means what? 3 plus 5 means 8. Yes, 3 plus, when we add 3 with 5, then we will get what? 8. So we have 8x. In the same way, yes, we can do like this also. Yes, 3 plus 5 should be separated in the bracket, and the variable should be written at side or after the bracket. Then after 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 and x. So our answer is 8x. In the same way, sometimes we may have given yes like these questions. Suppose yes 5a plus yes 9a yes plus 2a plus yes a. Yes. So listen here and listen to me carefully. Yes. Here we have 4 terms given here in the questions. Yes. One is 5a, then after 9a. Yes. Then after 2a, then after a. Yes. Among these all, yes, first term has the coefficient what? 5. The same way second has what? 9. The same way third has what? 2. But the last one has no coefficient. If it has no coefficient, so we should suppose what? 1 as a coefficient. Yes. So we should add the coefficient first. Add the coefficient first. So here yes 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to here a. So 9 and 4, 5 and 9 what? Yes, 5 9. When we add 5 9 we will get 14. 14 2 yes 16 and 16 1 17. 17a are together. Yes. In the same way we can write it directly also. 5a 9a yes 14a 14a and 2a 16a and 1a 17a. Yes. Yes. In this way we can find the addition of yes like term. If they are like term, then we should first here by applying yes the addition of coefficient, then and we can find the addition or the result. Then after we have now we are going to discuss about the second rule. That means for the subtractions. Yes. So if the like terms are given, yes, so again we should subtract their coefficient only. Yes, coefficient only here. So we have, for example, for second. Yes. So example first we have given here. Yes, subtract yes 2a from 3a. Yes. So remember one thing here, students, and listen to me very carefully. Yes, the number which is given written or which is given after from, yes, which is given after from, that should be written as first. Yes. 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 And the number which is given before from, yes, that should be subtracted yes from the number which is given after from. Yes. So here we have the terms given after from is 3a. So 3a should be written at first. Yes. In the same way 2a should be written at second. Yes. And there is subtract, so we should here use subtract sign, that means minus sign, and 3a minus 2a it becomes. Yes. So students, as we know, we should apply the subtraction rule by subtracting their coefficient. Yes. So here we have the coefficient 3 and 2. Yes. So when 3 minus 2 yes a, then we will get 1a. That means 1 should not be written, yes, or 1 should be hidden. So that means we can write here direct a. Yes. Or if you write here 1a, yes, 1a, that is also not wrong. Yes. So don't be confused. Yes. To write your answer here. In the same way, if yes, we talk about these things in the figure. Yes. So suppose here we have here 2a first and then after 3a. Yes, where 2a should be subtracted from yes 3a. That means what? How many a's are there? First we should add these all a's. Yes, how many a are there? Yes, 2a plus 3a. Yes, it means we can write it easily that as 5a. Yes, yes. In the same way, when we subtract 2a from 3a, yes, it means what? We will get 1a. Yes, that means a. In the same way, yes, we solve the addition by figure like yes. Then after here now we are going to discuss the figure of 3a. So we can write 3a like this in 3a separately, like a. Yes, and what is subtracting over there? Yes, over there, yes, 2 is subtracting from 3. So we can cross 2a, and then after we will get 1a as remaining. So the number or the letter or the terms which is left to cut, that should be our answer. So here a is our answer. In this way we can find yes the answer by figure also. In the same way, suppose sometimes we may have given yes y square, yes 4y square, and from them yes 2y square is cancelled. Yes, so how many square over there? Yes, we have what? 2y square over there. Yes, 1 is y square, 1 is y square. It means what? 2y square, or in the figure we can write it yes y square. Yes, it means 2y square. Yes, students, we can write it in figure yes in this way. In the same way, 4y altogether what? Which one is the greater number? That means 4y square, and the cross y square is what? There are 2y square which is crossed. That means minus 2y square. It means what? 2y square is subtracted from 4y square. Then after we will get what? 2y square. In this way we can solve the like terms or subtraction or and addition of like terms in this way. In the same way we may have questions sometimes. Yes, 6b minus 3b. Yes, 6b minus 3b. It means what? Again we should here follow the rule of coefficient, subtracting coefficient. So here we can find the first coefficient of the given two numbers or two terms. Yes, or in this way we have here two terms here, 6b and 3b, or in 6b and 3b, yes, this term are like terms and their coefficient are 6 and 3. So here we should subtract 3 from 6 here. Then after 6 minus 3 should be written in bracket and b should be written after the bracket is equal to what? We will get 3b, or you can write it directly 3b. Yes, so in this way we can add and subtract of the given like fractions. Yes, in this way okay, this is 4 over. Yes, now you need to okay write your homework, and this is the time to assign homeworks. So listen your homework carefully, okay, and write carefully. I hope you are understanding. So here your first homework is like this. Yes, write the sums of the following. Write the sums of the following. So in first you have given 6x plus 9x. Yes, question number B, 7a plus 4a plus 3a. Yes, in the same way question number C, add 5B and 3B. Question number D, add 3m square and 4m square. Question number 2, write the differences of the following. Yes, for this we have questions. Yes, 5m square minus 2m square. B, 7p minus 2p. C, subtract 9 yon from 13 yon. Question number D, subtract 15q from 15q. Yes, students, listen your homework carefully again. Yes, you have the first homework. Write the sum of the following. Yes, you have the first question 6x plus 9. Second question 7a plus 4a plus 3a. In the same way, question number C, add 5b and 3b. In the same way, question number D, add 3m square and 4m square. In the same way, in question number 2, write the differences of the following. In the first questions of 2 here, in question number A, 5m square minus 2m square. Question number B, yes, 7p minus 2p. In the same way, in question number C, subtract 9n from 13n. In the same way, subtract 13q from 15q. Yes, after this all, yes, now this is the time to leave our program and today's class. Yes, after this all here, before leaving the class, I would like to thank you all for listening and watching our radio educational program. Yes, and in the same way, I would like to thank our technician friends. Yes, technician friend to support me. Yes, technician friend Chandan ji to support me to run this program. In the same way, you must keep yourself. Yes, that means stay home, stay safe. Yes, and by saying this much, I would like to leave the class. Okay, keep listening Radio Madras Masla 106.4 MHz. Take care. Bye bye.
रेडियो मधेस मसला